Hi, my name is Dr. Arnold and I'm a dentist in Preston, Lancashire. And today I want to talk about one of the reasons why UCLan Dental School is so hard to get into. I was on a virtual experience session the other day, and one of the questions asked was about entry into UCLan Dental School and what the vibe was, how it was as a dental student at UCLan. So UCLan Dental School, the University of Central Lancashire Dental School, it's a graduate entry program. So that means you have to have a degree to be able to apply for the dental school. It's 4 years as opposed to the traditional 5-year dental degree program. And what's unique about UCLan is the fact that early on as a student, you are treating NHS patients and you're able to treat them for the different issues they have. Whatever issue they come in with, you get to treat and help them through those issues. So that's one of the unique things about UCLan. In terms of the competitive nature of getting into UCLan Dental School, from my personal experience, when I was on the course, what I found was the students who managed to get onto the course, many of them had a career, a job that they worked in healthcare. So whether this was working as an optician, whether this was working as a pharmacist, whether this was working as a teacher, myself, I'd worked part-time for years as a healthcare assistant on wards providing healthcare. And this was a common theme that I saw in many of the students that were on the course. And I think this highlights, for me, one of the things that UCLan Dental School is looking for in potential applicants. The fact that you have worked a professional job and that you have experience in the healthcare setting, providing care, showing empathy, those key skills that dentists need. And this is what makes it very competitive, because if you've had a degree but not really worked a job outside of that, you're competing with people who have worked professional jobs as well as having a degree. So even though you may have a strong application, the fact that other people have other experiences that are going to help them perform better, whether it be the science exam that's set for applicants to UCLan Dental School, or whether it be for the actual interview itself. If you've worked a professional job, if you've done a degree, and if you've got other experiences, maybe a master's, there's a higher likelihood that you're going to come across much better at interview as opposed to somebody who hasn't had the same amount of experiences that you've had. This is not to say that you couldn't get in to UCLan Dental School with just having the degree, but this is one of the reasons why it's going to be more competitive and much harder for you to get accepted onto the course. I hope that shines some light onto why UCLan Dental School can be so competitive to get into. I mean, there are only about, I think, 29 to 31 places at UCLan Dental School. So there's not that many that they take onto the course in each cohort, in each year group. So very competitive to get into, but it is a wonderful dental school. Great experience that I had when I was at UCLan Dental School. Hope that helped, and catch you guys on the next one.